boys and girls, for math, we have been working on the same goal for quite a little while. What is our goal that we have been working on? What are we even doing? Kavya. And we are going to also be working on adding another strategy in. We're going to be making models, okay? So be on the lookout for that. We'll get to that a little bit later in the lesson. Okay. So who would like to read our problem we're starting off with today? All right, we need a nice big voice, please. Matthew, big voice.
The second graders take a trip to nature center. The green class sees 23 animals. The blue class sees 14 animals. The yellow class sees 32 animals. How many animals do they see in all? Solve using drawings, models, or an equation to be prepared to explain them.
Wonderful, thank you. All right, is anybody wondering or noticing anything about this problem? What did you notice? What do you wonder? Olivia?
I'm wondering how many there are in all.
Ah, you're wondering how many in all. All right, anybody else have a wonder or something they noticed? Peyton?
I noticed that I noticed that 3 and 3 plus 4 more can equal 10.
Oh, that's okay. We'll make it up, buddy. Okay? Have a seat. I'll make sure you get to it, Lincoln.
3 plus 3 can equal 10.
Oh, great. You've noticed some numbers already that might be helpful. All right, awesome. Okay, so when we start our problem, we need to figure out first what we need to solve. What do we need to solve? Layla, what is our what in the problem?
How many animals are in there in all?
Right, how many animals do they see in all? That's our what. Okay. What's the next thing we're looking for? What am I going to write after that?
In all.
All right, now with my pink marker, what am I writing next? Kelsey? How? Good, thank you. All right, and, Kelsey, do you want to answer the how?
Drawings, models, or anything.
All right, thank you. Solve using drawings, models, or an equation. So, I want you to start to think about how you might solve it. And now, I'm going to have you turn and talk to somebody that you're next to about your plan. Now, when you are done turning and talking, I'm going to see if you can tell me what your partner said their plan is. So you're going to share ideas and then tell me what your partner's plan is to share. If you have a way that you plan on solving this, okay? Lincoln, can you read this quietly to yourself since you came in a little bit late, okay? All right, what their partner's plan is. I'm going to start listing some of our ideas, some of your tools that you can use. But what is your partner's plan? Crisscross? Have a seat. You're so excited. Paisley, who is your partner?
Braden.
What's Braden's plan to solve?
The number chart.
Using the number charts. All right. Peyton.
Lucas said he's on break apart.
Luca said he's going to do the break apart strategy. Thank you. Brayden?
My partner was
Paisley. And what did she say?
She said that she's
Okay, she's going to use the 10s and the 1s. So take a look at place value. Are you going to do partial sums or break apart? Partial sums? Okay. Kelsey. Partial sums, okay. Audrey.
Layla said she was going to do regrouping.
Do what? I didn't hear you. Regrouping, okay. Ryan.
Olivia was my partner, and Olivia said she's going to use place value blocks.
The place value blocks, thank you. Rocco.
Dante said he's going to use his, the open number line.
Oh, Dante likes that one. Place value blocks and open number line. Good. Lincoln.
By stacking. By stacking, though.
Oh, yeah. Who said that?
Me too.
That's going to be your way, and somebody else said it in your group too. Peyton said that way. So you're going to stack and solve? All right. Oh my goodness, look at all these choices, all these tools.
I'll give it that.
Haley?
My partner is
Peyton, crisscross, please.
and he used place value blocks.
All right, good. So we have lots of tools, Peyton. We have lots of tools up here and lots of choices. So now what you're going to do is you're going to partner up for your Solve and Share. It's on page 165 when you go back to your seat. It's on page 165. If you choose a different way than your partner, would that be okay? Yeah, because you're working with your partner doesn't mean your strategy has to be the same. You're just there to help each other and share ideas, but you don't have to match the same strategy, okay? When you're done though, you can check with your partner and see if you guys got the same answer. And if you got the same answer, then you can solve it a new way. And if you didn't get the same answer, you're gonna have to be detectives and figure out why, all right? All right, so we partner your partner strategy.
I think I'm going to use those like blocks, those place value blocks.
We can, or sorry.
So I want to use the open number line because I can find out the ones and the tens much easier. And also, it's easy to ask. Makes it easier to answer.
Same with mine. I was just confusing.
I'm gonna do an easy one.
Lincoln, you did that
Tens
way
and ones.
yesterday, didn't you? Did you remember?
That's
Maybe tell Lincoln again what you said.
I'm gonna put the 2 lines, 3 1 10 with 4 ones, 3 10s with 2 ones, and then I'll get my answer. And I already know 3 2 plus 1 equals 3, and that's 6. And then you add the y and 2. We know 3 plus 2, we know 5 and plus 1.
Lots of math talk happening, and you guys remembered your commitment of a level 2. Your challenge since you're done with this one, and you guys talked about how many more, Lincoln, you ready? How many more animals did the blue and green class see than the yellow class? So Ryan, you already started talking to me about it. Can you talk to your group members about it? Because Luca said he doesn't understand, so.
I feel like I got the answer, but I just want to make sure.
Okay, so what did you do to get the answer?
So I tried to add them up and I got 55.
What did you add up to get to 55?
The 23 and the 32 to then get to 55.
Okay.
And then when I got to 55, I took away 14 to then get 41.
Okay, and what did you just tell me it was, Lincoln? You said 37.
He got the answer.
So you guys both did that in your heads. You both did mental math, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can I give you another piece of paper and you write down what you did so you can see why your answers are different?
Yeah.
Okay? And then Luca, you can either watch them or you can join in. Covered when you tried your tens and ones, your stack and solve, you discovered this way to be more effective. Can you try to erase and redo your place value blocks and see where your mistake was?
Yeah.
Okay? Try to figure out where that mistake was. Matthew? Can you check on your partner? Or check on Ayan?
What you want to do is bring two tens, 1, 2, 3, 1, and then we'll do 1 10, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then we have
How many more animals did the green class and the blue class see than the yellow class? Okay? That's your challenge. How many more animals did the blue... Listen, one more time, ready? How many more animals did the blue and the green class see than the yellow class? If the blue and the green class were together, how many more did they see than the yellow? Okay? You've got to talk to Audrey about how you want to do that. You can show that right here. Audrey, can you squeeze that in somewhere? All right. You might want to talk about how you're going to get started.
I actually got 6 tens.
So Matthew, how are you helping Ayan?
Well,
You don't want to do the work for him, but how can you help him without doing it for him?
I was just showing him what to do and then figure out the answer 69 because we counted all together. We did 10, 20, and then we got 60 tens all together. We counted the ones and the total was 69.
So
It was 9 1.
who drew the picture on the page?
I did.
Okay, so Ayan, Matthew helped to draw the place value box on your paper. Can you use the actual blocks to show what he showed on his paper, buddy? Can you actually use the blocks to match what he put on your paper? And then maybe Matthew, you can help him count the place value box after he lays them out, okay? You got it, buddy.
No, I know. Listen, this is You got your final answer? Okay, can you talk with Peyton about it since you're both done?
Well, I didn't write.
That's okay. Just tell them what you got. See if you're start by seeing if your answers match, and talk about your strategy.
I knew something wasn't right with this. There were 14 classes. You forgot to add 14.
The 14
Right here it says 23, 32. One more thing. 23, 32, and 14.
I gave it to him.
23, 32, and 14. 23, 32, and 14. So it's 69.
Yeah, 69. 3, 4, 5, and then they got 6. So I think I might stick to that. So I'm going to erase the 9 and then I'll do the 6.
Why'd you switch it?
Because I usually do this with my grandpa, and then I don't really do this that often, but I did 3 and then 4, 5, and then I did it like 7, and then I found out 1. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6.
Did you compare your answer with Matthew?
Yes.
Did he get the same thing?
Yes.
Did you all solve it the same way?
Pretty similar.
Similar?
Yeah.
We'll talk to each other and decide what strategy he did and what strategy you did. Looks like you all both got the same sum.
Yeah.
Which is really
I'm gonna
cool.
need a Jackson.
And then Ian, you're still working on your place value blocks?
I can help you, Ian. You want help?
Number. Okay, good, 23. So what do you have there? You got? Okay.
I got it.
21. 2. 23. Good. All right, what's next? Go ahead and show that.
Hey, look what Miss Taylor. Look what I did.
No. But do you want them? Ian, do you want to use these or are you making pictures like Olivia? You want these ones? Okay. I'm going to give you guys 2 bags. It's fine if they get mixed up.
What do we do after I'm done with this?
Well, you're going to talk about it with your partners and see if they get the same. And then what you can do, Olivia, is you can use another strategy from the board to check your work and see if you get the same thing. Okay. What other one do you like?
I like to use regrouping.
Regrouping? Okay, so try that way and see if you get the same answer, okay?
This doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it does. I got it.
This doesn't make any sense.
I got it done in like 20 seconds.
Oh, wait, it does. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Can I give you an example?
55. Just said that.
Where's your pencil?
I'm just erasing it. Because I don't want to nobody know me.
What?
How do you make partial sums again?
Were you using the place value?
Do that.
So,
Do this.
how did you get this answer? You didn't need the place value blocks. What did you do to get your answer?
I knew this was it's no 2 and 3 is 5, so 2 and 3 is 50. So I was 50 and I went up, and then I went up 5.
Okay, so when you were adding those numbers, can you tell me, look back in the story and tell me what those numbers mean? Like what you said there was a 5 and a 2 and a 3. Where'd you get that from? The 2 and the 3.
2 plus 3 is 5, so I put that down to 5, and then 3 and 2 is 5, so I added 5.
So you added the 10s first or the 1s first? The 10s first and then the 1s? All right, so that was partial sums. So let's read through the problem again. Make sure you got everything. And then you do have to show your work. So what you just said to me, I want you to make sure that you write it down so that you'd be able to explain it to Kavya, okay?
Here, this is one.
And then Layla. Ladies and gentlemen at your desks, can you please put your pencil in your desk so that your book is open to page 165, but pencils are away.
Yeah.
All right, so Dante is sharing his strategy.
Yeah.
And then Layla, can you come up and put yours over here?
Which one? The one about that one?
People that want to share their strategies.
Kind of work right here to show yours.
Which one?
Let's see, how about one that's not being done up there already? Can you do your partial sums? Layla, can you tell what you did to solve your problem?
I put 3, 1, and 2, and then I put 2, 4, and 3 at 2, and 2 at 3, and 4 at 1.
All right. What do the, you did the same, Brayden? Good. Layla, what
Yeah?
do the long sticks represent?
A 10.
A 10, good. And how about the circles? What do those represent?
1s.
All right, so once you had all of that drawn, what was your next step?
To count the 1s, and then I counted the 10s.
You counted the 1s first? All right, and what did you get?
I got 69.
Total, you got 69 total. Why did you start with counting 1s first?
Because I wanted to see how much 1s there are, because I already knew 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6, and then I already knew that, so basically I just added 2, 3, and 4.
All right. Would you have gotten the same answer if you started counting the 10s first? Excellent. All right, thanks for sharing. And Audrey, so now shift your eyes to Audrey. Full body listening to Audrey. Dante, full body listening. Okay, Audrey.
I did 30 plus 20 equals 50 plus 10 to get 60. And then I did 3 plus 2 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. And then 60 plus 9 equals 69.
Beautiful. All right, thanks for your clear explanation. So you added the 10s first, right? Now, what if you would have added them in a different order? You put 30 and 20 together first and got 50, and then you added 10. What if we switched the order of the 10s? What would happen?
It wouldn't be.
What if I put 20 and 10 together first?
That would
30, and then I would add the other 30. What would I get? So I'd still get the same answer? All right, so you can add in any order. All right, thank you. So Audrey showed us partial sums. Make a connection symbol if you did partial sums. Oh, Audrey, look how many people did partial sums with you. Super. Okay, last one for the day is Dante. Dante, can you please explain what you did in a nice big voice?
I started at 23, and then I got 23 plus 30 equals 53, and then 53 plus 2 equals 55, 55 plus 10 equals 65, and 65 plus 4 equals 69.
Beautiful. All right, so I have a question for you. Where did you get these numbers on your open number line? 30, 2, 10, and 4. Where did those numbers come from?
I got the 2 from the 30. I got the 2 from 30. I got the 4 from 14.
From 14. So you just broke apart because it's easier to add 30? Okay, but it's really 32, you're saying, and you got the 4 from 14. All right, beautiful. So, Dante, what was your final answer? How many animals?
69.
And Audrey, how many animals did you get?
69.
And Layla, how many animals did you get?
69.
69. So all those different ways and you got the same answer. Thank you so much. Okay, have a seat.